This election day, Larimer County is asking voters for a tax increase that would benefit mental health services in the county.
Yeah, the tax proposal is a 0.25% sales tax. So it's 25 cents on a $100 purchase. That will raise about $18 million a year, we predict. It will allow us to provide mental health services all around the county to people currently that are not accessing those services.
The county hopes to build a new facility between Fort Collins and Loveland.
So the commissioners have dedicated a 40-acre piece of that property to be used for this mental health facility. So we're going to be building a facility that will allow inpatient care, short-term intensive treatment for drug abuse, and just a place where folks that don't have access to mental health care can go for when they're having a mental health crisis and be seen right away by staff at the facility.
County officials reached out to local governments in hopes of getting the entire county on board with the proposal.
We worked with every mayor in Larimer County of every one of our cities on a campaign we called Mental Health Matters and Let's Talk About Mental Health. So that we've had a very intensive community discussion about mental health for the last 2 years. And we've noticed that that has definitely raised the awareness and has changed the environment and hopefully has set the groundwork for us to be successful with our ballot question this year.
If the tax is approved by voters, the county will begin collection on January 1st, 2019.
We plan to be ready to provide services in the community right away, middle of 2019.
Johnson also expects that the county will remain transparent to voters.
There will also be a report issued every year to the citizens about how the money has spent, and maybe even more importantly, measurable objectives and outcomes of what kind of results.
With more community awareness, Johnson hopes the proposal will pass this November.
There is a lot more community awareness of the impacts of mental health, untreated mental health, in our schools, in our emergency rooms, in our criminal justice system.